Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to revise the lesson subtraction. Children, let us first understand what do you mean by subtraction. As you can see in the picture, there are 5 balloons. So, if I take away one balloon from the 5 balloons, 4 balloons are left. So what remains are 4 balloons. So the answer is known as difference, and this process of taking away is known as subtraction. There are 2 ways of carrying out subtraction. Subtraction by crossing out method and subtraction by counting back. Let us first study the subtraction by crossing out. As you can see in the picture, there are 12 oranges. So, if I take away 8 oranges from these 12 oranges, what is left is 4 oranges. So, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Subtraction by counting back. This is the second method of carrying out subtraction. As you can see in the problem, it is given 12 minus 4. So, from 12, we will move 4 numbers back. 11, 10, 9, 8. So, the answer is 8. Now, there is one rule of subtraction for 0. When 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. Now children, 0 has no value, or it is also known as no object. So when we are taking away something which has no value, we get the number itself. Like for example, in this slide, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. In the next example, there are 7 flowers in the flower pot. If I take away no flowers or 0 flowers, what is left is 7 flowers. There are 9 boxes kept on the table. If I take away no box from there, that is 0 boxes, what is left is 9 boxes. Now children, the ways of carrying out subtraction. There are 2 ways of carrying out subtraction: vertical subtraction and horizontal subtraction. Now children, in this method, the numbers are written from the left hand side to the right hand side. Like for example, 2 cups of tea minus 1 cup of tea will give you 1 cup of tea. In the next example, there are 5 eggs minus 3 eggs will give you 2 eggs. Now children, there are 2 rules of subtraction, like we have studied earlier also, that when 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. Like for example, here there are 8 apples, and if I take away no apple, as 0 has no value, then we will get the same number itself. It is true for all the numbers. When we subtract a number from the same number, the difference is 0. Like here are 8 apples. If I subtract all 8 apples from it, I will get 0. The answer is 0. Now vertical subtraction. It is another method of carrying out subtraction. So here children, the numbers are written one below each other in column form according to the place value. First the ones place and then the tens place. So here we are only considering one digit addition, that is ones place. Now there are 7 footballs given in the picture. If I cross out 1 football from it, I will get 6 footballs. There are 5 frogs in this given picture, and if I cross out or if I take away 2 frogs from it, what is left? 3 frogs. Thank you children.